Hi there, and welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday. Today we will learn about variables, data types, and expressions in Python. So without any further delay, let's get started.
A variable is like a container that holds information. You can store a number, a word, or any kind of data in it and use it later in your code. In Python, variables are used to store values so you can use or modify them later in your code. For example, you might use one variable to hold a user's age and another to hold their name. Each variable name should describe the kind of value it holds to keep your code readable and clear. Python can store many different types of data. The most common ones you will use are integers. These are whole numbers like someone's age or the count of items. Floats. These represent decimal numbers, useful for prices, weights, or percentages. Strings. A string is a sequence of characters, usually used for names, messages, or any text. Booleans. These are either true or false, and they are used for decision-making in code. Python automatically figures out the type of data when you assign it to a variable. This feature is called dynamic typing, and it makes Python flexible and easy to write. Python has some simple naming rules and conventions you should follow. Variable names can contain letters, numbers, and underscores, but they can't start with a number. You can't use spaces. Use underscores instead. For example, wallet underscore balance. Avoid using Python keywords like class, if, or for as variable names. Be descriptive. Instead of writing X as the variable name, use customer name or total price. It makes your code easier to understand. Use lowercase letters with words separated by underscores. This is called snake case, and it's the standard in Python. Now, let's understand expressions. An expression is any piece of code that Python can evaluate and give a result. It could be a simple calculation, like adding two numbers, or a combination of variables and operations. You will use expressions to perform tasks like computing totals, making decisions, or updating values. Expressions are the action part of your code. They take values and return new ones. Whether you're a student, a beginner, or a professional looking to pivot into tech, this bootcamp gives you the skills and confidence to actually use Python, not just learn it. Join thousands of students who've already transformed their skills with RPA Tech courses. Your Python journey starts now. Enroll today and build your first project by tomorrow.